All right, tax family, this is Richard at James Family Tax. Thanks so much for tuning in. We put together some content for our entrepreneurs, our small business owners. We hope you find value in this. As always, any information that you hear or read from James Family Tax does not constitute any kind of legal advice. So please, anything specific to your business, reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to consult with you, or reach out to your tax or legal advisor. You can find us at www.jamesfamilytax.com or email me directly, richard@jamesfamilytax.com. All right, we hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day. All right, so congratulations. You have filed your articles of formation. You've received a certificate of filing from the Secretary of State, and you are officially an LLC in the state of Texas. This is a huge accomplishment, so be proud of yourself. What I'm going to talk about are the three main things you're going to want to do once you are that official entity in your state. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you've established the LLC. Make sure that you're operating as your LLC. Sometimes we get into habits or routines. We want to make sure that we're taking full advantage of that LLC, so we're breaking away from those habits. Everything that we are doing for our business is under the name of that LLC. Any contracts that you're signing into, any vendors that you're working with, you want to use the LLC business name. Sometimes that will be as simple as your name on behalf of business name LLC. That makes sure that if there's any disputes on contracts or vendor situations, that when they go back to see who is responsible, it's the business, it's that specific entity, which is the reason that you set up the LLC to begin with. The next thing you're going to want to do is set up a business bank account. Do not use your personal bank account for your LLC. Your LLC is a separate entity in the state of Texas, and so you're going to want to make sure that you have a separate business bank account for that entity. This avoids commingling of funds. You can't have your business funds in your personal account. It defeats the purpose of the LLC, and a good attorney, if you're in that type of arrangement with your business, can do what they call pierce the corporate veil, meaning they can take a look at your assets and they're all commingled under your personal account, and basically argue that there's no differentiation between yourself as an individual and your business. So it's very important that you do that. Set up a business bank account. There's a lot of great options that are available. The third thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a bookkeeping and accounting system in place. There's lots of great resources. You can reach out to James Family Tax. We can definitely point you in the right direction. But get on QuickBooks, get on FreshBooks, get on some type of platform that will allow you to keep track of your accounts, keep track of your expenses throughout the year. You're going to want to regularly maintain this or outsource somebody to regularly maintain these books so that you are on top of your quarterly taxes, you're on top of your expenses, how your business is performing. It's super important that you do this. And the more organized you are in your accounting and bookkeeping, the more you're going to have to write off at the end of the year, the more likely you are to actually save in taxes because you're able to take advantage of all of the deductions, all of the tax saving strategies that are available to you. So 3 things, very simple: operate as your LLC, break out of those old habits, make sure you set up a business bank account, and then the last thing, make sure that you set up your accounting and bookkeeping structure. We can certainly help you again at James Family Tax. I hope this was helpful to you. Y'all have a wonderful day.